Okay, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna try sign up. I'm gonna put in my name, I'm gonna put in the email, click this, and let's pray. Okay, we have a 400 error. So what's the response? Password is not. Okay, no worries, I add as M. Okay, good. So please check your email, and I'm gonna click this and let's see what we have. Verification code. I'm gonna click this. Okay, and let's sign in. Click in the verification code. So let's pray, and we are in. Hey, hi. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is David. In today's video, I'll on my e-commerce website, and at this moment, I'm trying to use AWS Cognito to replace my Supabase. I'm going to show you because the code base is so big that I cannot run my Terraform on Cloud Shell anymore. So I'm using GitHub Actions to run it. And so right now, I'm going to show you what we have. And at this moment, it's already pretty much created the infrastructure. Let me show you what we have. So there's a lot of junk here. And right now we have this. So I'm going to click on this and we will have the familiar website that you see. And right now, the last one was the backend code is able to work. Okay, wait. Backend code is able to work. And right now we're going to target this. I've already made some changes on the code side on this. Wait, let me see what we have. So basically, Lovable has helped me to create this. We're gonna create this from AWS to pull the variables in. So I'm gonna try this, and we have this fake email ID, and we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna click sign up. So it's not supposed to show this, it's supposed to show the errors, like default error. That helps me to understand what's going on. So I'm gonna look at the developer mode. So let's look at the header. We have a 400 request. The error message is client ID. So what we have is we're missing a client ID. So this is where we continue. And I'm back. Okay, so we're gonna create a new user pool and we're gonna stick with traditional web application. I'm gonna use this, learn e-commerce Lovable. Okay, and we're gonna use email only. We're gonna select the attribute as email, and we're gonna have a return URL. And the return URL at this moment is, since I'm hosting it on CloudFront, if you're hosting on your root 53, you can use that. I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna create the directory. Okay, what we have here is it will create the login page, but I'm gonna show you something. So user pool is created. What it does, it will automatically create the application. Okay, but the problem is because my application, I never cater to this client secret. I'm going to use AWS CLI to disable this. So we're going to create a new one. And I'm back. Okay, so what we have is I have this AWS CLI and it's looking for user pool identity. So we're going to look for it. We are back with this user pool identity. We're going to copy this and I'm going to replace this, take away this. Yeah. So I'm going to create this from AWS CLI. So the reason behind is because I am not going to use the client secret. Okay, so we have already created this. Let me refresh. We need two things if you wish to use Cognito as your authentication services. You need the client ID, which is this one, and you need the user pool ID. It's not working for mine yet because we are missing this client ID. For convenience sake, I'm gonna hard code it into one of my application. I'm gonna click this and I'm going to assets and I'm gonna pull out this. I'm gonna go into my code. Wait, what was the download file? 5TD. We're gonna look for Cognito, which is this one. Yeah, we're gonna pull out this. We're gonna look for this. Okay, I got it. So we're gonna append, we're gonna hard code it. See what we have. I'm gonna copy the user pool, paste this in, copy the client ID. I'm gonna paste this in. Okay, and I'm gonna throw back to the file and I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna upload. Once it upload, I might face the same issue, so I'm gonna invalidate the cache at the CloudFront. Let's hope this works. Okay, so the invalidation works. So let's see what we have again. I'm gonna click refresh this. I'm gonna sign up. Click David. Is it the file? I mean, is it the same? Let's sign up. That's what we get. It's still the same. Okay, I'm gonna try to rerun the TF state, but I'm gonna hard code. Let's see. client ID, gonna put it here. User ID, gonna put it here. Okay, wait, I got it mixed up. Okay, good. So I'm gonna run this again. Okay, so the files are here. Let's see whether it's the same. So I've created two new object paths. I invalidated them. Let's see whether it works. Okay, it's working now. I don't know which one. I've deleted the buckets and also re-enabled the CloudFront. It's working right now because the error is different. It's just asking me to do a M capital letter. Okay, I'm gonna click sign up and good. So right now it's working because it's 200 and I should receive something. So I have a verification code and I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna enter this. I'm gonna confirm. Okay, so account is confirmed. You can now sign in. And I got in. So this is how you create Cognito with your web application. I hope you enjoy this video. It took me 8 hours to find out what's going on with my codes, and with the help of Lovable and Amazon Q, I was able to create these extra files to use AWS Cognito. There is definitely rooms for improvement, like maybe instead of having confirmation code, I can like click to confirm. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Catch you again. Bye.